Welcome to a new video. In today's video, we're gonna figure out what's the best Afro pick tool for our texturized hair. So which Afro pick is the best? Is it a metal pick, a plastic pick, or a wooden pick? Stick around and you'll find out at the end of the video. Afro picks are a staple in the black and brown hair community. While it was popularized during the civil rights in the 1970s, the first pick actually dates back to pre-dynasty Egypt, originally known as Kemet, over 6,000 years ago. There's still no better tool for adding volume to our curly, kinky hair, but it's important to know your way around styling your crown with the proper comb. Using the wrong tool or technique can cause serious breakage and possibly abrasion on your scalp. Ouch. We can all agree that our curls only deserve the best. Today, Afro picks come in a variety of material including wooden, metal, and plastic. Depending on the type of hair, one might choose to use a wide tooth comb pick or a narrow nick comb. Often, many of us use either three picks to pick out our African texturized hair. But the question lies, are we using the right kind of material to pick out our texturized hair? Let's talk about the various types of Afro picks, starting with metal picks. Now, the pros about using a metal pick is when used properly, they are an absolute godsend. I own one myself personally. It does work incredibly well on thicker hair and tightly curled hair like myself, who has a dual hair type of 3C and 4A. Now, the con in the use of metal pick is that metal causes static and frizz, allowing the hair strand to dry out and become brittle. Now, focusing on plastic picks, the pros with plastic picks has been said to be gentler for fine hair. But the use of plastic picks will grip the hair too much and snag. Hair breakage alert! According to London-based hairdresser Michael Van Clarke warned, cheaper plastic combs often have burrows and other imperfections which can lacerate the hair cuticle, leading to further decay. How awful is that? To be very transparent, this is a huge game changer because almost if not all my hair tools are plastic. Now, is it possible or the obvious that the use of a wooden Afro pick is the better tool for our naturally texturized hair? Short answer is yes. Using a wooden comb has an impact with our scalp, hair, and most importantly, our environment. Reading off a page from Charlie Curls, they pointed out 9 reasons wood over plastic is healthier for all hair types. Going through the reasons, it says that wooden hair tools are gentler on hair, naturally nourishes the hair follicles, stimulates healthy scalp by boosting blood circulation, encourages hair growth, prevents tangles and breakage, helps reduce dandruff and itchy scalp, removes dirt and foreign particles. Wood combs have great durability and suitable for all hair types. I am glad I came across this page because it's always so refreshing to educate myself in the importance of the many ways in nurturing my divine fro with something so minimal by switching to a better quality Afro pick made from wood, or the one I have here that is made of 100% of bamboo. I purchased this Afro pick from Afro Babes. If you made it this far into the video, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below a coconut emoji. Only because I love coconut. I surely do appreciate it, and that is why I'm going to give you 2 hair bonus tips that I am sure that you will find very useful when using your wooden Afro picks. Tip number 1. Never start the use of a pick from the roots and combing lean all the way through to the ends. It will cause serious damage to your hair follicles like fairy knots, split ends, and excessive shedding. Trust me, I'm speaking from experience. Also, from the pulling and tugging, you'll get quite the tension on your head. Tip number 2. Despite wooden Afro pick is the best quality comparing to its counterparts, over manipulating your hair using any tool can cause breakage. I hope you enjoyed this video so much that you give this video a huge thumbs up. Be sure to share the video to inform others which Afro pick is the best tool to choose from to bring up more volume to their texturized hair, but more importantly, to prevent damages. Until next time, peace.